Hi, I'm Jessica, and today I'm gonna be doing a taste test about this new bluebell bars ice. It's like a lollipop, but it's basically made up of ice. And yeah, this is the fruit bar. Okay, and it looks like a red velvety color. Okay. This is how it looks. I think it is focusing, but excuse me for that. Very cold. Um, um, cold. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. Wow. Wow. This is amazing. It has all the fruits that end with a berry. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. It's like an explosion of goodness in your mouth. Mm, 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 mm. One last one. Mm. I was gonna say something. Oh. Last one for this video. Mm. That was that was delicious. It was a very delicious. Thank you for watching. Bye.